Which blood cells help in clotting? Platelets. Which part of the brain controls involuntary actions like heartbeat? Medulla oblongata. What type of skeleton do insects have? Exoskeleton. Which organ helps birds in grinding food? Gizzard. The process by which animals shed old skin is called molting. The structural and functional unit of the nervous system is called neuron. Which animal group is characterized by having moist skin and laying eggs in water? Amphibians. Which of these is a viviparous animal? Whale. The exchange of gases in humans takes place in the alveoli. Which of the following is a reflex action? Pulling hand from flame. Which of the following animals undergoes complete metamorphosis? Butterfly. Which animal shows bilateral symmetry? Human. Who discovered the cell? Robert Hooke. Which part of the animal cell controls cell activities? Nucleus. Which everyday product is made using bacteria? Yogurt. Which branch of science deals with animal behavior? Ethology. Which disease is spread by female Anopheles mosquito? Malaria. What is the name of the pigment in red blood cells? Hemoglobin. Which living organism has no brain but can still move and react? Jellyfish. Which order do bats belong to? Chiroptera.